a panda sneeze?
I'm laughing so hard.
How does a panda sneeze?
That's exactly how it sounds. It like sticks his head up. That's so funny. I love that thing.
Randy, oh my god.
Do it again, but stick your head forward. And then they wipe their nose. They wipe their nose.
If the baby sees when the mom is like this.
The thing is so funny. Yo, go to YouTube. Oh my god. I was laughing so hard.
Sneezing panda.
I'm crying.
The first time I said,
I'm crying.
Okay.
Stop doing it.
Alright, hurry up, guys. I forgot. You gotta put your head back.
Bebo. Bebo.
oh,
Let me try my hair. Ariana, come here.
your mom here.
Can you try my hair? Oh my god. Maybe. Please.